Hey there, stats enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to type the X bar symbol in Google Docs for 2025. If you're a student, researcher, or anyone working with statistics, you know X bar, written as X, is essential for representing sample means in formulas. It's a small detail, but getting it right can make your documents look professional and polished. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Google Docs and create a new document or open an existing one where you need the symbol. The easiest way to insert X bar is by using the built-in equation editor. Simply go to the menu bar, click on Insert, and then select Equation. This will open a toolbar specifically for math and symbols. It's like a playground for equations. Once you're in the equation editor, type the letter X, or whatever variable you want to use. Now, to add the bar on top, look for the accent option in the toolbar. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down with various accents. Select the bar or overline option. It's usually the one that looks like a straight line. Apply it to your X, and voila, you've got your X bar symbol. If you're using a keyboard shortcut, try typing X and then using the equations formatting tools, but the accent method is the most straightforward. One quick tip: if you're working on a mobile device, the process is similar but might involve the Google Docs app's equation feature. Always double-check your symbol in different fonts, as it might look off in some. And if you run into any issues, make sure you're updated to the latest version of Google Docs for 2025 features. There you have it. That's how you type 10 bar in Google Docs. It's a simple process that saves time and adds that professional touch to your work. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.